All right, what's up, guys? So I'm still trying to figure out this truck. It's not reading anything on HPT on the scanner side. It's not reading no sensors, nothing. I mean, it's reading like wideband, but that's it. And I'm not even sure that's even accurate. It's not reading RPM, nothing. So man, I don't know what's up with this thing. But yeah, so we got a new vehicle that been dropped off last week. Not last week, 2 weeks ago. So haven't had a chance to touch it. TS2K was the other day. So we was at the track doing that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start tearing it apart. Trying to figure out why it's got a lovely knock. I'm not gonna start it at its state that it is right now because I already know what it sounds like. So there's no need for me to do that. But it 5th gen Camaro. What year it is, I have no idea. But apparently cam in it, obviously color intake, got some headers on it. So I'll insert the lovely sound that it's making. But yeah, I'm about to get ready to start on that, get it started taking off, get the heads apart. We think there's a rod that's broken. So I'm gonna take the heads off and try to push the pistons down and see if, they're moving. If they're moving, we know that's not a good sign. So, like I said, about to get started on this thing. And yeah, I'll get back with y'all guys later. Oh, dang. I don't know how long I've been under there. Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Well, I don't know if y'all noticed, but something's missing, and it's right there. And I don't know if you guys are interested or wonder why I'm stuck underneath this hood and why that's not in here. If you like, share, subscribe, and especially if you comment so I can get back with you guys, man, you can find out what's going on with this project over here with her second V. See you later, guys.
It had already been done.
You ain't gotta put your head there for. this is what I concluded today. Found out that the headers are welded. Got all the front accessory out, the intake off. I was gonna do the heads and stuff, but I'd rather have the headers off to get to that point. But I did find out that you know, I don't know if I'm gonna input when I drain the oil to show you, because I know I'm sending that to him for sure. I got to make sure I didn't say nothing stupid, because it's one of my friends, it's his little brother's car. But you know, I'll check that to see if I should upload it or not. But you see that real shiny, creamy stuff? Yeah, that's never any good to see that, especially with this being fresh oil that y'all put in there. Look at all that. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to come out now. Yeah, that shiny stuff, that's why I wanted to take a picture of it so I could show you what it looked like before I did it. And yeah, it's that shiny stuff. Yeah, it was nice and creamy. Well, I say creamy, glittery. I say that. That'd be a better word to say. But yeah, so I'm at about a stopping point. I got about all this stuff off. Got that done. So yeah, it's about the end of this video. I'll come back and I say end of this video. I'm probably gonna add once I start doing the rest of it, and once I get the engine out, then that's probably gonna be the end of this video. So we'll see. But like I said, man, we're done for today. It's nice to work on the LS again. It's been a while. I gotta get ready to get started on that other one, because somebody's gonna kill me and then you guys won't see me anymore. So like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment, and if this is the end, this won't be in it if it's not the end. So, but yeah, deuces. What's up, YouTube? Alright, so as you can see, Camaro's in the shop now. It's also lifted up in the air. I just cut the exhaust yesterday, undid the starter yesterday. Undid the motor mounts, bell housing, and converter bolts. So it's basically ready to come out. So that's what me and Ryan is about to do. I just got to disconnect the AC compressor from the block and like the knock sensors, and I think that's it. And we're about to get ready to pull this thing out. Time lapse it for y'all so y'all can see that. So yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so you can't really see. You can take my word for it. The engine's out. I'm not gonna turn on this big old light and have to grab it on the other end where the battery is. So it's sitting over here. So first thing I noticed is let's see. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me get a light real quick. First thing I noticed is you can't really tell, trying to get the light perfect, but that lifter is 8. And the amount of oil that came out of this engine, that can't be the only thing that's wrong. So let's tear this thing down real quick. Well, maybe I lied. So I tell you what, on the next one, since this one's already gonna be decently long. Now, it might actually be on the same video depending on how long this video is. But if it's too long, I'm gonna put it in the next video. The disassembly, it's gonna be the same day obviously because I'm gonna have the same clothes on. But like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment. Let's get the YouTube thing going. Let's get a couple more of these in the shop, and